So once you've started Intellij, next click on new project and let's create a new project called Kotlin Crash Course. Select the location where you want this project to be. Leave everything as it is. You don't really need a standalone JDK because Intellij IDE comes with one that is bundled. So the default should be just fine. The reason why you see so many over here because I have other versions of JDK installed. So I'm going to select my local version, but you don't really need to do that. Click on next and leave everything as it is. Click on finish and your project should come up in just a bit. Let's go ahead and create a file and we will do a hello world formality. So we will call this hello world and we're going to create a main function. We don't have to put in any arguments in it, so you can just do a simple println and do a hello world. Let's run this. Right click and run hello world, and there we have it.